Example problem. Draw the given orthographic views of the solid. Draw the three isometric axes. Consider the isometric plane formed by the vertical isometric axis and the left 30-degree making isometric axis. In this isometric plane, carefully construct the profile of the front view with proper measurements. The appropriate corners, draw projectors parallel to the third isometric axis representing the visible edges. On these projectors, set the width of the solid and complete the view. Example problem. Draw the given orthographic views of the solid. Draw the three isometric axes. Consider the isometric plane formed by the vertical isometric axis and the left 30-degree making isometric axis. In this isometric plane, carefully construct the profile of the front view with proper measurements. Parallel to the third isometric axis representing the visible edges. On these projectors, set the width of the solid and complete the view. Example problem. Draw the given orthographic views of the solid. Draw the three isometric axes. Consider the isometric plane formed by the vertical isometric axis and the left 30-degree making isometric axis. In this isometric plane, carefully construct the profile of the front view with proper measurements. The appropriate corners, draw projectors parallel to the third isometric axis representing the visible edges. On these projectors, set the width of the solid and complete the view. Example problem. Complete the isometric projection of the bottom solid, the cube, with isometric dimensions. The center of the top face of the cube. From the center of the top face of the cube, set the isometric radius of the sphere so as to get the center of the sphere. Now, with respect to this center, draw the curvature of the sphere using radius equal to true radius of the sphere. As the sphere is the topmost solid, it will be fully visible and make it dark. Now darken the visible edges of the cube. A portion of the cube blocked by the sphere will be hidden. Example problem. Draw the isometric projection of the bottommost solid, which is the cylindrical slab. With respect to the center of the top base of the cylinder, construct the isometric projection of the bottom base of the cube and complete the isometric projection of the cube. Locate the center of the top base of the cube and with respect to this center, construct the isometric projection of the base of the square pyramid. From the center of the base of the square pyramid, set the height of the pyramid to get the apex of the pyramid. Now complete the isometric projection of the square pyramid. As the square pyramid is the topmost component, darken its visible edges first. Next, darken the visible edges of the cube. Finally, darken the visible curvatures of the bottommost solid, which is a cylindrical block. Example problem. In this problem, the given solid can be assumed to be consisting of a horizontal slab portion and a vertical portion centrally placed above the horizontal slab. First, draw the three isometric axes and consider the isometric plane formed by the vertical isometric axis and the left 30-degree making isometric axis. In this plane, construct the front view profile of the horizontal slab portion and subsequently complete its isometric view. On the top of the slab, centrally construct the isometric view of the vertical portion. Darken all the visible edges to complete the problem. Example problem. Draw the given orthographic views of the solid. Draw the three isometric axes. In this isometric plane, carefully construct the profile of the front view with proper measurements. Appropriate corners, draw projectors parallel to the third isometric axis representing the visible edges. On these projectors, set the width of the solid and complete the view.